The volume of a cuboid is 878 centimeter cube. Correct to the nearest cubic centimeter. So first let us write lower and upper bound for the given number. Given is volume equal to 878. Now, what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? How do we decide it? We decide based on this way. See, it is correct to the nearest. No number means 1 cubic centimeter. It is nearest to whatever. We should do half of that. So when I do half, I get 0.5. This I should add and subtract. So I get 878.5 and 877.5. Clear? Next. The length of the base of the cuboid is 7 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. So now let us write lower and upper bound for 7 centimeter. So length is 7. Now what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound? Looking at this one, correct to the nearest centimeter means 1. It's correct to whatever, we should do half. So here also 1, if I do half, I get 0.5. This I should add and subtract. So when I add, I get 7.5. When I subtract, I get 6.5. Now, next. The width of the base of the cuboid is 6 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. So let us write lower and upper bound for 6 centimeters. That is for width. Now what should I subtract and add to get lower and upper bound is decided by this one. Even this also correct to the nearest centimeter means 1. So it is correct to nearest whatever, do half. So 1 by 2 will give me 0.5, which I already did before. So add 0.5, subtract 0.5. So I get 6.5 and 5.5. Okay. Next. Calculate the lower bound for height of the cuboid. Now, what is the relation between volume, length, width and height of the cuboid is this one. Formula for volume of cuboid is length into width into height. Here you need to find height. That means h should be made the subject, and to do that, divide by LW on both sides. So when I do that, this gets cancelled. I get h equal to V by LW. More. You need lower bound for h. So h should result in lower bound. So analyze. Here this is a fraction. Fraction should result in lower bound. That could only happen if the numerator you take lower bound and the denominator should be upper bound. Clear? In fraction, lower by upper will result in lower. Okay, next. In denominator you want upper of this. Here it's into. In multiplication, to get upper, both should be taken upper. Am I clear? So now let us replace the values. So h equal to V lower bound is 877.5 by L upper bound is 7.5 into W upper bound is 6.5. Put this entire thing at once in calculator. You get the answer to be 18. So this is the answer. Am I clear?